Alright guys, welcome back to Will Knowledge Crypto channel. This is my second channel on crypto. My first channel is Will Knowledge. Make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe. Big news. Bitcoin is getting some more adoption. This is what I told you guys in the last video on some news. Once the Bitcoin starts getting that more adoption, more people accepting it, it's just going to get bigger and bigger. Okay. So after I give you guys the news, we're going to go ahead and flip over to the Bitcoin chart, and I'm going to give you guys some levels on Bitcoin also that I see. I'm going to start buying a little more crypto. I was going heavier in Ethereum. I feel Ethereum is going to go above 10,000, so that is one of my targets. But I'm going to give you guys some levels on Bitcoin right after we go over the news. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you are new, and let's get into it. So Bitcoin adopted as legal tender by African country, the second to do so after El Salvador. This is just going to be getting bigger and bigger. Mark those words. Central Africa Republic lawmakers voted anonymously to pass a bill legalizing crypto. Bitcoin will be considered legal tender alongside the regional Central Africa CFA franc. The CAR is the second nation in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender. El Salvador did so last year. The Central African Republic has become the second country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as official currency. Lawmakers in the CAR parliament voted anonymously to pass a bill legalizing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, according to a statement from the presidency. Bitcoin will be considered legal tender alongside, the chief to staff to president called the move a decisive step toward opening up new opportunities for our country. The CAR is rich in diamonds, gold, and other valuable minerals, but ranks as one of the world's poorest and least developed countries. Roughly 71% of CAR 5.4 million inhabitants were living below their international poverty line in 2020, according to the World Bank, and just 11% of the CAR's population have access to the internet. Crazy. The country, which is landlocked in the heart of Africa, has been gripped by political instability and violence for years. The move to consider Bitcoin, this is where the good stuff, the move to consider Bitcoin legal tender received praise from the crypto community and was hailed as another step toward mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency. Like I said, that adoption is going to get bigger and bigger, which is what is going to push Bitcoin to that $100,000 and above. Kathy Wood and other people have $1 million price target on. I think we're far from that. We can get there, but I feel like let's do our steps. So I feel like $100,000 is first, and I feel we will get there. Next. But it can also be viewed as controversial. There were protests in El Salvador after the country introduced the Bitcoin law, and country faced criticism from the International Monetary Fund. The IMF has surged. Okay. Legal tender for crypto community. Okay. Okay, so I think that is the main news that we need to go over. So let's go ahead and go over to the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to give you guys some levels on it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, will.knowledge. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Try to get over 1,000 followers. I appreciate it. And if you have any business inquiries, make sure you email me right here, okay? Let's go to the chart. All right, guys, so now we are here with the Bitcoin chart, ticker symbol BTC. Let's get into it. If we zoom out to the bigger day chart, we do have a big support level right around this 37,000, about 550. That is a big support level that we still want to watch out for. It has hit multiple times and kind of held price up. Even came close to it right here and kind of pushed price back up. But now we are coming to a little resistance. But what I see now, let me give you guys some shorter term levels to kind of look out for. And if these shorter term levels break, then we know Bitcoin is heading to the downside. If it breaks on the upside, then we know Bitcoin is going to make a run higher. So one level on the upside for resistance is 40,365. Make sure you watch out for that, 40,365. If we can get a move from here to break on the upside, that could be bullish, okay? Could be very bullish. I don't see Bitcoin making any type of move off of the news. So that's one angle right here. If it breaks that resistance, watch that carefully. Let's take that. Actually, no, I'll leave that. I'll leave that diagram here. So, and on the downside, we have a support level at about 30. We put it at about 39,000 even. Okay, 39,000 even is a shorter term support level. So basically, if this shorter term support level breaks on the downside, we're looking at this bigger support. Actually, let me make that a last defense level, because that's an actually big support level down here. If this level breaks, we're pulling down. We're coming down to that 37,550 level. If support holds and starts to go up, Then we're looking at this resistance level at about 40,381. Okay. I think I am going to add some more Bitcoin in these areas. I do like it in the 30,000 mark. Remember the high of Bitcoin was like, what was it, like 60 something? Yeah, it was about 69 for the high of Bitcoin, and we're down about 41%. So we're down over 41%. Man, that's actually a pretty big drop. So good prices right now that I'm gonna start averaging in on Bitcoin. I think we had a nice little drop. I'll make an update for you guys. You know I put those white levels whenever I do buy. So I'll make an update for you guys later on today when I do buy Bitcoin, but I think I will add some. But make sure you just watch out for these main levels right here, okay? Big levels. This will tell us a lot if it breaks on the upside, and this will tell us a lot if it breaks on that downside. If you guys want more updates or any other cryptos you guys are watching, make sure you comment them down below. Thank you guys for watching the video. Always remember, no recommendation of ours or anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video, and I'll catch you guys in that next one.